Today we are going to learn about a 8-input multiplexer. A multiplexer is a device that takes in multiple inputs but allows us to pick only one of those inputs and direct it to an output. Well, this is the circuit diagram of a 8-input multiplexer. It basically acts as a combination of two 4-input multiplexers. We take the inputs as I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 and I7. Here A, B and C act as selectors, that is, they will decide which one of the inputs would be directed as the output. So when all of A, B and C are 0, if we change I0 to 1, we see that the output changes to 1, and if we change I0 to 0, the output changes to 0 as well. Similarly, if we change the values of I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 and I7, the output remains unchanged. Now, when only C is 1, if we change I1 to 1, we see that the output changes to 1, and if we pass I1 as 0, the output changes to 0. Again, if we change the values of I0, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 and I7, we notice that the output remains unchanged again. Now, when only B is 1, if we pass I2 as 1, we see that the output changes to 1. Again, if we pass I2 as 0, the output changes to 0 again. Similarly, if we change the values of the inputs I0, I1, I3, I4, I5, I6 and I7, we notice that the output remains unchanged again. Now, when both B and C are 1, if we pass I3 as 1, we see that the output is 1 again, and if we pass I3 as 0, the output changes to 0 as well. Again, if we change the values of the inputs I0, I1, I2, I4, I5, I6 and I7, we see that the output remains unchanged. Now, when only A is 1, if we change I4 to 1, the output changes to 1, and if we change I4 to 0, the output is 0 again. Again, if we change the values of the inputs I0, I1, I2, I3, I5, I6 and I7, we notice that the output is unchanged. Now, when both A and C are 1, if we pass I5 as 1, the output is 1. Again, if we pass I5 is 0, the output is 0. Similarly, if we change the values of I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I6 and I7, the output is unchanged again. Now, when both A and B are 1, if we pass I6 as 1, the output is 1, and again if we pass I6 as 0, the output is 0. Again, if we change the values of the inputs I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5 and I7, the output remains unchanged. Now, when all of A, B and C are 1, if we pass I7 as 1, the output changes to 1, and if we pass I7 as 0, the output is 0. Similarly, if we change the values of I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5 and I6, the output is unchanged again. So, we see that when all of A, B and C are 0, I0 is directed as the output. When only C is 1, I1 is directed as the output. When only B is 1, I2 is directed as the output. When both B and C are 1, I3 is directed as the output. When only A is 1, I4 is directed as the output. When both A and C are 1, I5 is directed as the output. When both A and B are 1, I6 is directed as the output. And when all of A, B and C are 1, I7 is directed as the output. Well, that's all. So this is how a 8 input multiplexer works. Thank you.